Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the 5 different strategy tester modeling types in MetaTrader 5. A lot of traders get confused about which one to use, so I'll explain each mode in detail along with real-life examples so you'll know exactly when and why to use them. Let's begin. The first model is called Every Tick. In this mode, MetaTrader creates artificial tick data from historical candle information. That means from the open, high, low, and close of each bar. Using this, it simulates every small price movement to build a very realistic picture of how the market behaved. Think of this like watching an animated replay of a football match. It's not the real video footage, but it's reconstructed so well that you can see every pass, every shot, and every goal, just as if it really happened. This model is useful because it gives a close approximation of the real market. It includes spread changes, slippage, and other micro-level movements. It's slower than some models, but still faster than using actual tick data. It's best suited for scalping strategies, trailing stop-loss systems, or anything where intra-candle movement is important. Now let's move to the second model, Every Tick based on real ticks. This one is the most accurate because it uses the actual tick data recorded from your broker. A tick simply means any small change in price. Even if the market moves by a single pip, that's one tick. So in this mode, MetaTrader replays the market tick by tick, exactly as it happened in real life. Think of it as watching CCTV footage of a cricket match. You're not watching a simulation or a recreation, you're watching the real match, ball by ball, exactly as it was played. This model is the most realistic way to test a strategy, and it's essential if your system depends on spread spikes, slippage, or stop hunting behavior. But the downside is that it's very demanding on your computer, since it processes thousands of ticks per minute. It's best used for high-precision strategies, scalping systems, and when you want absolute accuracy in your backtesting. The third option is 1-minute OHLC. Here, MetaTrader doesn't try to recreate every tick. Instead, it uses only 4 important price points from each 1-minute candle: the opening price, the highest price, the lowest price, and the closing price. It then estimates the internal movements based on just those 4 numbers. It's a bit like checking the weather 4 times a day, in the morning, afternoon, evening, and at night. You'll understand the overall conditions, but you won't know if it rained briefly in between. This model strikes a good balance between speed and accuracy. It runs faster than tick models, but is more detailed than using open prices only. It works well for swing trading, trend-following systems, or any strategy built on candle patterns rather than tick-by-tick price action. Next, we have open prices only. This is the fastest and lightest testing model. In this mode, MetaTrader only checks the price at the opening of each new candle and ignores everything that happens inside that candle. It's like reading only the headline of a news article without going through the full story. You'll know the main idea, but you'll miss the details in between. This model is extremely fast and perfect for quick testing. It works well for strategies that enter trades only at the start of a new candle, but it's not suitable for systems that rely on trailing stops, dynamic stop-loss adjustments, or any intra-candle conditions. It's best for higher timeframe strategies like H1 or D1, where intra-candle data is less important. And finally, there's math calculation. This is the fastest model of all because it doesn't simulate any price movement. Instead, it uses mathematical formulas to estimate how your strategy would perform. It's like planning a road trip without actually driving. You just calculate distance divided by mileage to figure out how much fuel you'll need. You don't test the journey itself, but you get a quick estimate. This model is very fast and lightweight, and it's useful for quickly checking profitability, but it's not accurate enough for serious testing. It's best for getting a rough idea of performance, but not suitable for detailed backtesting or scalping. Before we wrap up, there's also one extra feature worth mentioning: profit in pips for faster calculation. When you turn this on, MetaTrader records your results in pips instead of converting everything into money. For example, if your trade earns 15 pips, it simply records 15 pips without converting it into dollars or account currency. This makes testing much faster because there's less calculation involved. It reduces the load on your computer and is especially useful when testing long bait ranges. And that's it. Those are the 5 strategy tester modeling types in MetaTrader 5, plus the pip calculation trick. My suggestion is to try each model and see which one matches your strategy style. Some are better for speed, others for precision, and knowing when to use which can save you both time and frustration. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.